Hello everyone, today's vlog is on VAT on residential properties. So starting off, if you are a developer and you're converting from commercial to residential, that is a zero rated supply and you can claim the VAT back on the expenses. If you are converting a HMO and you are going from a single occupancy to a multiple occupancy, then that qualifies for the reduced VAT rating. So that means that VAT will be charged at 5% on the works done to make that conversion. If it's a residential conversion and it results in the change in the number of dwellings, then again the reduced rate of VAT applies on the services to convert it. So that is 5% VAT. An example of a change in the number of dwellings would be converting from a unit that had 3 flats in it to 2 flats. So change in the actual number of dwellings means you can apply for reduced VAT on those charges to convert. The new residential buildings, so constructing a dwelling from scratch and then selling it, that is a zero rated supply, so you don't charge VAT when you sell homes, but strictly speaking it is subject to VAT, but it's subject to VAT at 0%. Now crucially that means that you can claim back all the input VAT, so all the costs associated with building the home, all the VAT on those costs can be claimed back by the developer on that property. And the next one is the DIY scheme. So assume now you're not a property developer, you're not a home builder, but you're just an individual who's decided to build your own home. Now then, if you've incurred significant amount of VAT on the costs of that home build, you would be at a disadvantage to someone who's acquired a house from a house builder because they haven't charged VAT. You've had to suffer VAT when you built your own building. So thankfully there's some relief from HMRC. It's called the DIY scheme for home builders, and it means that you can claim back the VAT on the cost that you've incurred in building your own home. Quite a few pitfalls associated with that, so you need to check out the legislation before you dive in and build your own property. So that's just an overview of some of the VAT treatments for residential properties. Some of them 0%, some of them at the reduced rate of 5%. Commercial properties, that is covered in a separate video. Have a look at the video that I did on option to tax, where in some instances you can choose to apply a standard rate of VAT on commercial properties. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and leave some comments below, and I will see you soon.